All right, guys, we're in lesson 23, last lesson of the quarter. So again, the target, the lesson's basically the same as lesson 22. So it's just little bigger numbers, but same stuff. So let's do a couple together. So the first one we're going to do is, and again, write a little bigger, 4,859 divided by 23. Now 23 doesn't go into 4, but it does go in to 48. And double it, I know it's 46. Right? So that's 46, that's 2. So there's going to be a 2 right there. 23 goes into 25 one time. With how many left over? Ooh, 2. So that's, now this makes it 29. That goes in one time with 6 left over, so remainder 6. So I check with multiplication. Three, 6, 8, 4 plus 6 equals 4,869. Oh wait, 59. Ooh, made a mistake there. Who caught that? So it's 4,859. My bad. Sorry. All right, let's do this one. 4,368 divided by 52. Now, here I was doing like a lot of the stuff in my head. This one I'll do it more of the work out so you can see more of the thinking. It's basically the same. It's just this way we're doing a lot more in our head. 52 doesn't go into 4. It does not go into 43. So, but 52 goes into 436 how many times? Again, guys, this is where we use that estimating rounding. If I think of this as 50, I have 5, and I think of this as 43. That's about 8 times. So let's try 8. 1641. So now I multiply there, now I subtract. This is what you'd be doing in your head the other way. This is that remainder. You know how I had like a remainder of 2, it made it 25? This is, now I'm going to drop this 8. And 5 goes into 20, that's 4 times. 8, 20, 0. So let's try it out. 84 times 52, 816, 0, 0, 42, 4, 3, 6, 8. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, let's go to the next one. Now, word problems. A big part of when we do word problems with division is understanding the remainder. And do we need the remainder? Do we not need the remainder? That's a huge component of this. So let's look at number 3. It says number 3 says 1,092 flowers are arranged in 26 vases with the same number of flowers in each vase. How many flowers will be needed to fill 130 such vases? Well, I got to figure out how many vases, how many flowers are going to be in each vase. So I'm going to do 1,092 divided by 26. Doesn't go in, doesn't go in, right? So then 26 goes into 109. Maybe 5. No, 4 is it's going to try 4. So I'm going to do it on the side. Ooh, yes. So there's 104. I'm going to do the math out. 52. 26 goes into 52 2 times. So how many flowers will, okay, so there's 42 flowers in each vase. Okay? How many flowers will be needed to fill 130 such vases? Now the question's asking me how many flowers are going to be in each vase to fill 130 such vases. Remember in the last lesson I talked about labeling our answers in our work so we understand what this 42 represents. The 42 flowers represents in one vase. So I got to figure out 130 times 42. So my calculation, it should be 5,460 flowers total. Let me see if that's right. Yes, total to fill 130 vases. All right, guys. Again, label it, take your time, think the problem through. Bye.